In the small town of Maplewood, nestled between golden fields and whispering pines, there was a charming little street named Willow Lane. Among its dainty houses, painted in hues of dawn, stood a particular one with a lavender door and a garden overflowing with sunflowers. It belonged to Emma Rivers, a woman known more for her kindness than for her knowledge of the heart. Emma had always believed herself to be ordinary, a notion that crept into her mind when she was a child standing before her bedroom mirror. The reflection showed an image she often wished was different. Thus began a long journey of longing for change, craving an acceptance that seemed always out of reach. Her days were spent teaching art to children at the community center, a task she adored, yet even their innocent laughter could not chase away her self-doubt. Emma wore her insecurities like an old familiar coat, never heavy enough to stifle her completely, but persistent like a chill of an autumn breeze. One breezy afternoon, while arranging supplies for her class, a little girl named Lily approached Emma. "Miss Rivers, do you believe in magic?" she asked, her eyes wide with wonder. Emma chuckled lightly. "What kind of magic, Lily?" "The kind that makes everything okay," Lily said, holding up a crayon drawing. It was simple and colorful, vibrant against the dull table. Emma looked at it and saw more than just a child's sketch. There was innocence, belief, and an unspoken wisdom painted in every stroke. "I think I do," Emma replied thoughtfully. Feeling inspired, Emma went home that evening and stood in front of her mirror, holding Lily's drawing. It reflected the same face she had seen for years, but tonight she felt a strange pull towards acceptance. Perhaps, she thought, magic isn't about changing who you are, but seeing yourself for what you truly are. Determined, Emma began a new ritual every night. She would stand before her mirror and speak words of kindness to herself. At first, it felt foreign, like learning a new language, each compliment sticking in her throat. But with every night, her words felt less like lies and more like truth. Her art classes reflected these changes. Emma became more open, vibrant like Lily's drawing, and her students noticed. They began to draw more, paint more, and laugh with abandon. Her spirit was a pebble dropped into still water, rippling outwards, touching every life it met. As months slipped by like autumn leaves through a gentle breeze, Emma discovered an unshakable truth. Self-love wasn't a destination, but a journey, continually evolving, like the art she taught. Each day brought new challenges and revelations, but she faced them with courage she never knew she possessed. In extending kindness to herself, Emma found her reflection more beautiful, not because it changed, but because her heart had. She understood now that self-acceptance was the real magic all along, a spell cast by the simple, profound act of accepting oneself. Emma never stopped teaching or learning. With each year on Willow Lane, she continued to inspire her students, weaving stories of self-love into every lesson. And when she stood before her mirror, she no longer saw a stranger but a friend, an ally strong enough to embrace every part of who she was. A gentle reminder to all who walked past her sunflower-laden garden was carved subtly into the lavender door. Believe in the magic within.